Oh, yeah, look at that. Just talking. I believe you saying something. Yeah. Say what you saying, Rebecca? Hey. Hey. Can you, I didn't understand. You had to repeat it. Looks like she said something, man. You can repeat it. Yes, you can. You can tell it to me. Tell it to me. Don't tell him your business. Tell it to Grandma. Come on, tell me. Yay. You can talk. I believe you hiding something. I believe that baby hiding something. Yeah. What you said? I bet you said something. I bet you said something. Yeah. Thanksgiving today. Yeah. Just talking. I heard some. It sounds like she's talking.
She tries to talk.
Oh, your mother said you talk a lot. Yeah, I believe it. I do believe it. Yeah, you talk a lot. I bet you do. What you be telling them? You tell them what you do at the daycare center? That's the biggest thing you do. Yeah. You tell them about when you gonna walk. Right, you can talk. You can talk.
You tell Grandmother about school?
Yeah. I bet you can say something else. I believe you hiding out something. I believe you can talk. It's gonna cost you all dearly. Tell him, say you did my picture, you didn't get my permission. Tell him. Tell him, say I'm gonna pay you, gonna pay this. Yeah. You can get it, tell him. You want to say something? You can say it, I'll listen. I listen. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. That's a good girl. That girl,
She's talking. She is talking.
Uh-oh, Daddy said it's time to go.
She was talking. She said, I'm talking.